Hello everyone, we are here with class 8 chapter 1 in English and the name of the chapter is Finding My Way. The first question we are going to do in this chapter is dictation words so that we can learn new words. The first word is bestowed, next is gratitude, then we have well attired, entranced, inauspicious, reincarnation, mesmerized, scraped, realistically, expected. All these words we have learned in the chapter and we know the meaning of all. Then the next section is of word meanings. Word meanings, we are taking 8 words which will be those which might be a bit difficult. Gratitude, which means feeling of being thankful. Next we have attired, dressed in clothes of specific kind. जो second वर्ड मीनिंग है वो ये है अटायर, इसका मतलब होता है जब आप किसी एक स्पेसिफिक तरीके से कपड़े आपने पहन के रखे तो एंट्रांस टू बी एंचेंटेड, द प्रॉपर हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन फॉर एंचेंटेड और एंट्रांस इज मंत्र मुग्ध दोनों. ठीक है, व्हेन यू आर सो मच ऑक्यूपाइड विद समथिंग कि उसके अलावा आप कुछ सोच भी नहीं पाते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड बीइंग एंचेंटेड. डेब्रिस विच मीन्स पीसेस ऑफ समथिंग दैट हैज बीन डिस्ट्रॉयड, कोई चीज़ जब बर्बाद हो चुकी है उसके जब छोटे छोटे टुकड़े आपको मिलते हैं उसको हम डेब्रिस कहते हैं. स्ट्रूवन मीन्स क्लियरली, sorry not clearly, very badly scattered, very untidily. कोई तरीके नहीं है, बस चीज़ें फेंकी हुई अगर है तो उसको स्ट्रूवन कहते हैं. Inauspicious which means unlucky. Expect, to believe something will happen. When we believe that something is going to happen या जब हम चाहते हैं कि कुछ हो जाए या जब हम विश्वास रखते हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ होने वाला है, that is called expecting. Then the last word is reincarnation which means rebirth, पुनर्जन्म जिसको हम कहते हैं हिंदी के अंदर. Next are the question answers. The first question is, how did Venkat get admitted to school? The principal asked Venkat to touch his left ear by his right hand over his head. Since Venkat knew this already, he touched his ear very easily. The principal was amused and impressed, and he also realized that the boy was smart enough to start school, but he changed his date of birth to make him seem older and therefore eligible for स्कूल. ठीक है, तो वेंकट स्कूल में का वेंकट का जो एडमिशन है वो स्कूल में कैसे हुआ है? वेंकट वॉज कंपैरेटिवली नॉट एलिजिबल इन स्कूल ड्यू टू हिज एज. ठीक है, तो वो जब स्कूल में गए तो उस टाइम पे एज चेक करने का क्राइटेरिया जो ये होता था कि आपको अपने लेफ्ट हैंड से अपना राइट हैंड पकड़ना है विद अब गोइंग अबव योर हेड. ठीक है, तो ही वेंकट न्यू दिस ऑलरेडी, तो उसने बहुत इजीली उसको टच कर लिया एंड द प्रिंसिपल वॉज वेरी अम्यूज्ड एट इट. जो प्रिंसिपल है उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मतलब इतना छोटा सा बच्चा इतना स्मार्ट है. एंड देन यू रियलाइज दैट ही इज एलिजिबल फॉर स्कूल, लेकिन कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो उसके लिए उन्होंने क्या किया, वेंकट की डेट ऑफ बर्थ जो है वो चेंज कर दी. ठीक है. इन वॉट वेज वॉज वेंकट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स हु पेंटेड विद जनगर? ठीक है, ददी सिंह उर्वेती एंड लबदा सुमेर सिंह खुशराम, दीज वर द 2 apprentices ऑफ जनगर. ठीक है, they filled painting started by Jangar with dots and lines, patterns set by Jangar. ठीक है, वो क्या करते थे, जनगर ने जो भी पेंटिंग्स बनाई है दे यूज टू फिल देम बाय ओनली पैटर्न्स एंड लाइंस दैट वर सेट बाय जनगर हिमसेल्फ ओनली. ठीक है, बट इन contrast means on the other hand, Venkat drew patterns that looked like cracked earth. He did not just follow his master's orders blindly but used his own creativity. They were just following what their master has said, but Jangar was also filling those pictures, paintings, but he was drawing pictures that would look like cracked earth. Okay? And that showed that Venkat was far more creative than his other 2 assistants. Describe Jangar's style of teaching. Jangar's style of teaching was not direct. He taught his students life and art just came along. जनगर की जो स्टाइल ऑफ टीचिंग थी वो ऐसे डायरेक्ट नहीं थी, आपको ऐसे चैप्टर पढ़ा के उसका मतलब बना के ये नहीं करता. वॉट ही डिड वॉज ही यूज्ड टू टीच हाउ द चिल्ड्रन how to live in a very proper way, and then art just came along. He used to teach them how to live and art used to just come along with all those things. He made his students grind smooth masala paste from red chilies, coriander seeds, etc. using a grinding stone. Grinding stone is a silbatta. Okay, he used to make his students grind masalas on the silbatta or the grinding stone. He would monitor this from a distance and got angry if students did not do it right. And he would sit far away and he used to just keep seeing them. And if they did not do it proper, he would get very angry. Jangar would start singing suddenly and expect the students to sing along in order to teach them how to go with the flow. We would just suddenly start singing and expect that the students will also start doing that, so that they can learn how they should go with the flow. Like how things are working, you have to work in that way only. Up, you're doing one thing always, and suddenly if things change, like you were always coming to school. Okay, you were always coming to school, everything was done on the board, you were sitting face to face, but suddenly coronavirus came, and then you're studying on the computers or the phones. This is going with the flow. Like how situations change, when you change yourself accordingly, you're going according to the flow. Next question is, answer the following questions with reference to context. The first context is, I have two birthdays now. Okay, who is I here? Who said this? Venkat Shyam said it, and he had two birthdays because one was his birthday, 2nd December 1970, which was changed by the principal to 28th October 1970. Why does the person has two birthdays? Why did he have two birthdays? When Venkat was put in school, the principal was not sure that the boy was the right age for school. He saw the boy was smart but changed his date of birth from 2 December 1970 to 28 October 1970 just to ensure that he was eligible for admission, just to check his eligibility, that that does not create a problem later on. The principal changed the birth date, okay, and that is why he had two birthdays. Next is, as you can see, I have come to own a huge debt to black. What does debt mean here? Debt here means gratitude, means being thankful to somebody. How did drawings in black help Venkat? Venkat used charcoal for his paintings, we know that very properly, and that is why the people used to say that you're using black and that is going to cause you problem. Therefore, Venkat said that he is indebted to the color black, because when he's using charcoal for his paintings, the paintings will come out black, because that had made him famous and celebrated. Why was Venkat very famous and very renowned in people? Because of his paintings, and the paintings he made were made by using charcoal. Okay, so black in that way helped Venkat. My roots are with me today. I find them everywhere. My roots. What does root mean here? Tradition and inheritance of the roots, or the roots of plants used for the colors? Definitely not the roots of plants. Here, roots means tradition and inheritance, because we are talking in context to a person. Okay? Roots also help plants grow nutrition from soil. They also give life. What else does Venkat mean by roots here? Okay, roots are used for giving nutrition to from the soil to the plants. They also give life. And what else does he mean? According to Venkat, roots means the base that helped him stand firm in his life. The basic things which he learned from life and from everywhere are his roots. That was the base which helped him stand. वो base था जिसके ऊपर वेंकट जो है वो अपनी personality को develop कर पाया. ठीक है? Roots here may also mean his native place and family. He may also call roots here as his native place and family. Okay, where, and then here is this one thing, I find them everywhere, my roots. ठीक है, तो वो native place और family क्यों हम बात कर रहे हैं? Because Venkat has traveled so much and has been with so many people that now he feels that every place is own, because from every place he has taken influence, and he has been influenced and inspired to make his paintings. That is why he's saying that. What does it mean by today I find them everywhere? Venkat means that he has a strong connection with his surroundings and his work is influenced by what he sees around him. The thing which we discussed in the last question itself only. Okay, Venkat says that he finds his roots everywhere, and the other thing is that because he gets inspired from everything he sees, he feels that his roots are everywhere to inspire him and help him. If you can't grind masala well, how can you hold a brush? Okay. What kind of paste did Jangar want from his assistants? Why? Jangar said this, okay, and why did he say that? Because Jangar wanted a smooth paste, smooth and consistent paste. Okay, what kind of paste? Smooth and consistent paste. Because it would help them build steadiness and strength in the fingers to hold the brush off for painting. While reading the chapter, also we understood this, that for painting it is very important that your hands are very poised and very patient. ठीक है, तो while you're working on a silbatta or a grinding stone, what will happen is that your hands are going to get that kind of firmness. That is why he used to make his students do that. What do you think grinding masala has to do with learning it? Grinding masala on a silbatta, grinding stone, gives strength to your hands. A good painter or artist should possess strength and patience, which is gained by grinding masala on silbatta. यहाँ विथ रेफरेंस टू दिस या इसके रिलेटेड जब हम बात करें तब हम ये बात करें, क्योंकि ग्राइंडिंग मसाला जब सिलबट्टा पे करते हैं तो हाथों को बहुत स्ट्रेंथ मिलती है, चाहे वो पेंटर हो चाहे वो आर्टिस्ट हो. It is very important that the painter and artist should have the strength and patience in his hand, which is gained by grinding masala on सिलबट्टा. अगर आप सिलबट्टे पे मसाला पीसते हो तो आपको हाथों को वो स्ट्रेंथ और वो पेशेंस जरूर मिलेगा. ठीक है, those are the questions and that was the end of the question answers. I hope all of you have understood it and there is no problem regarding these questions. Thank you.